Hi, Carpet Man Perth. How may I help you?
Is this the Carpet Man?
Yes, this is he.
Carpet Man, we have a problem with our carpets have become all loose. Bubbles, well, very dangerous. I nearly tripped over the other night. We are hoping you can help us, Carpet Man.
So the Carpet Man gets to work asking Wendy all the particulars, like approximate size of the rooms, a few photos, is there any or what furniture is in the room, what suburb is the job, and questions like this, so that Wendy or whoever gets good advice and accurate pricing.
Okay, Wendy, have the photos here. You sent me, yes, and I see what you mean. Life on the ocean waves, hee. They will all be gone when I use our power stretchers to pull the carpets tight again. With a warranty, you won't need ever have to re-stretch these carpets again and again. Do it once, do it right.
Sounds great. Carpet Man, can I book you in next week? We are in Morley.
Thanks, Wendy, all booked in. I will see you next week.
Thanks, Carpet Man.
The day eventually arrived, and Carpet Man appeared with the correct power stretching hydraulic, tools to correctly stretch Wendy's carpet. Nice and flat, may I add. Anyway, back to Carpet Man. See what he is up to. A few hours have passed. Gasp, drinking coffee. Be careful, Carpet Man. Be careful. Oh, he is finished. Looking good.
All done, Wendy. Come and look, just the last room to vacuum.
Oh, Carpet Man. Thanks a million. My carpet looks beautiful and flat. Can we put our furniture back now?
Straight away, Wendy. No problem. Just glad you're happy.
How do I pay you, Carpet Man?
I have mobile payments. Here we go.
So, the Carpet Man goes on his merry way with another satisfied customer, heading up the Mitchell Freeway when a call comes through. Something about a snake under the carpet. I'll keep you posted. Carpet Man Perth, locally owned and operated carpet laying, carpet repairs, carpet stretching, or simply anything carpet. So why not call the Carpet Man 0416430306 or visit us at carpetmanperth.com.au.